Is that bad?
No, it's okay. You're good. Afford it. I know, but like, guys, there's not even any room for my makeshift stool.
We'll drop it, right?
What? I'm supposed to go?
Yeah!
I'm here with my two guys, Nathan and Jeremy. Say hi.
Hi.
They are on spring break from their remote learning, so they're gonna help me teach you how to do a quick and easy at-home facial. So if you're not sure what skin type you are, you can look on our spa locator on Epicuren's website and find a local spa that you can contact. A lot of them, even though they are closed, will still give you an over-the-phone consultation and point you in the right direction of products based on your skin concern. You can also find a skin quiz available on our website. So I have chosen the appropriate cleansers for us, and we're gonna start by cleansing our face. This is a great way, doing an at-home facial, to keep the family busy.
Is this
do something, nope. Do something positive with your time that everyone can enjoy.
How do I use this?
So you're gonna put a little bit on your hands.
Is this too much? On both
Nope,
hands?
that's good. No, just the one. And then you're gonna mix it with a little bit of water. Drizzle.
Like this?
Yep.
Do I rub it together?
Drizzle. Now we're gonna rub it together. Yours is a cream cleanser.
Mine is a cream cleanser.
And then you're gonna go
I have a
ahead.
regular cleanser.
Yep. You have a herbal cleanser.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
it smells mango. I think.
It's apricot. Okay, and then when you're ready, you're gonna rinse off. Now, we have our bowls of water. So we're gonna use these. You can use your washcloth if you want. You have a dry towel on the back of your chair, or you can use a cotton pad. I'm gonna just use my hands and just kind of go like this for now.
It's a gooey.
Or use your washcloth. Okay, so your next step is going to be to tone. This is going to restore the pH level of your skin. You're going to shake yours first, and then you're going to spray it, or you can spray it on the cotton pad if you want. Another tip is to take a shower and cleanse in the shower to really open up your pores before you start your facial, or you can do it the way we are if it's a group activity. So I'm going to do it like this. If you want to spray it in your...
Actually, I'm gonna do that.
Do you need help?
No.
So right now, we're going to
How much?
exfoliate. You don't need very much, about a dime size amount. Stop, pay attention to what you're doing. And you're gonna mix with a little bit of water. It looks like a worm, okay. And now you're gonna rub onto your skin.
Whoa. Oh god.
Like this, in circles.
Does it feel like dots? Yeah, it feels like dots.
Well, it's gonna remove the dead skin, so then when we go to do the mask can actually work. Because otherwise, the mask is just gonna sit over top of dead skin, and we don't want that to
Do I
happen.
do
We want the mask
do
to
I do
work.
like up here? Can I
All
wash my
over.
face?
That's what we're doing.
Oh.
To remove your exfoliator, you're going to use a dampened cotton round, or you can splash the water on your face. If you need to go to the sink for this, that's okay too. He looks like he's an animal. The next thing we're gonna do is we're going to tone our skin again.
Okay. Again? Wait, which one? This one?
Yep, that's
Do you have
fine.
any more cotton pads?
Yep.
This one.
If you dampen the
I have to
cotton
dab it.
rounds before you spray it on, you won't use as much product.
Mommy, my thing's too wet.
That's why you have this as well.
Oh.
Our next step is our mask. So we're each gonna show different ways that you can utilize a mask. Nathan is going to use one mask all over his face. I'm going to combine my mask with another mask, and Jeremy is going to spot treat his certain areas with different masks. So you can do a mask any of these ways. It's really whichever works best for you. Okay, so you're gonna put a little bit on.
Oh my god, that's too much.
No, that's good.
Oh, I don't know.
And then just put it on.
It's green. My
It's
face
okay.
is... Oh yeah, the moon mask. What? Oh my god.
I'm gonna
so good.
help
Cinnamon.
Nathan put a little bit more on.
I smell like mud.
For Jeremy, we're gonna spot treat. So Jeremy, I'm gonna do the chai soy mud mask. I'm gonna put
Ooh, that's so
the
soft.
chai soy mud mask as a spot treatment on Jeremy. And then,
That's so soft.
and then on the rest of his skin, it is a little bit dry in the other areas. So I'm going to use the hydrating mask.
This is just weird. I need like 20 masks.
Or just 2.
Even like 20. Oh, they just out of 0.
Okay. Then I'm going to use the hydrating mask
My face is tight.
along with the
What did you say?
chai soy mud mask.
Your face is
Your face is gonna dry.
and tight.
The mask is gonna dry. Once the mask is all the way dry, you're gonna remove it.
How do we do that? I'm tight. Water? You don't need to watch you put it on.
Okay, go ahead.
Is it supposed to make my face tight?
Yeah, it's gonna dry and then we're going to remove it. Okay? So,
tight. I'm tight.
okay. To remove your mask, you are going to use nice warm water. You can use cotton rounds, washcloth, just splash some water on your face and then pat dry. So let's take off our masks. I did change out their water just so that you know they're not dipping their face in dirty water. You guys look like animals. Alright, well,
Is it off?
you guys are crazy.
Is my towel?
Alright, you still have a little bit on the
Is
side.
it gone?
No.
Not at all? Just throw on the table. Comment down below what continues. Do we have more? Jeremy has
More what?
skin problems.
After you have removed your mask, you're going to go ahead and tone again. Tone again.
I need to top off. This is my mist. Brazilian propolis.
Propolis. Good job. Our last step is to moisturize. If you have a serum or a hydrator, you would use that here before you moisturize. But we're going to do the simplest facial you can do at home. So we're gonna go ahead and just moisturize. Everyone, there we go. You just need a little bit.
This is mango. It smells like mango. Ooh, it does smell like mango.
Thanks.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Bye,
Thank you
buddy.
for watching.
Bye, buddy. Thank you
Thank
for
you so
watching
much for
this
joining
video.
us. I hope you enjoy your facial at home.
Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.